Hi everyone, my name is Anushka Ali, and today we are back with episode 3 of our talk show series. Last time we had a talk show where it was all about sports. We talked about cricket, we talked about football and so on. But today we are here with another topic, which is achievements. And today I'm here with my two achievers.
My name is Suhana Yadav, and I am in primary 5A.
My name is Christian Busho, and I'm in primary 5A.
So we have Busho, who's an achiever of swimming, and Suhana, who's an achiever of chess. I want these guys to share their stories as some of you learn and capture the most wonderful journey of this show. So, Busho, how did you start with the journey of swimming?
So how I started swimming was my dad encouraged me to swim, but before I liked football, so he encouraged me. Also, one of my teachers from my old school told my dad to encourage me to swim. So that's why I got the sport and I became a champion.
Wow. Suhana, how did you start your chess lifeline?
So one day I was watching TV at home, and what I was watching was the news of India, and when the Indian Prime Minister was awarding the achievers and sports people. So I got interested and I also wanted to be good at something. Then my mom taught me different types of sports, and it was a tough time. So it came to chess. Then I was having fun. It was interesting.
Wow. So Busho, who's your influence or your mentor throughout this journey?
My mentor is my dad because he encouraged me to swim. Yeah, swimming is my sport now, so he's only encouraged me to do everything. Although it was very hard to learn, swimming is a hard sport, so we learn.
Okay, so Hannah, how about you? Who's your biggest mentor or influence?
My biggest mentor influence was my mom, because she encouraged me and supported me and taught me how to play chess, as well as my dad and my sister sacrificed some things to do for us.
Right. Parents out there, I hope you're listening, because some children do find their potential when you give them the support they need. So Busho, how do you overcome a disappointment when you lose in a competition or?
So when I'm disappointed, I train harder. My dad encourages me to train harder because it is bad to see like me myself seeing me failing, but yeah.
So Hannah, how about you? How do you overcome a loss?
How I overcome a loss is like in a tournament. Usually I play strong players, so it's good when I give tough time to the opponent, because if you play easily and badly and then you lose and come out quickly, I feel kind of sad, but then I get better.
So Busho, how do you prepare yourself for upcoming competitions?
So how I prepare for upcoming competitions, I usually train every after school, so that I can be fit enough. Because some swimmers who swim like when they don't train enough, they don't like the sport. Yeah.
So Suhana, how you do as a chess player, right? You have opening strategies or positions that you play, right? What are they, and how do you play them when you're beginning your game?
So usually in a game, I do not like openings or strategies, because you might not know any kind of position comes on the board, then you're surprised. So it's better to practice positional, and I like position.
Right. Okay, how do you balance academics and chess?
Also, during a week, so my coach comes twice or thrice a week, and he trains me for 2 to 3 hours. Then when I come back from school, after training, I do some revision and homework.
Okay. So both of you, what level are you at swimming, at chess? Busho, go first.
At the top level right now, because I've trained my whole life, so now I'm a good swimmer.
So Hannah, You've played at high levels, right? So which level have you played at?
So I've recently, last month, I've played in the continental event, which is the nationals.
Okay, so what was your experience?
It was really good and it was my first time, so I enjoyed a lot and I missed some winning games, but then I felt like it was my first time, so next time I'll do better.
Right. Wisho, you've also played at high levels. What level was that?
I was on high level. Actually, recently, there was a gala 3 weeks ago. It's called the Nationals, where you prepare to go for outside tournaments.
Wisho, what are your future goals as a swimmer?
My future goal is to become the first black to win the Olympics, and I'd like to make my country proud.
So we have come to an end of our episode. So my host, is there anything you want to share with the viewers?
Yes, so all the chess players out there, please keep in practice and do not give up, because chess is your life and you can do anything, and keep a goal. Like I also have a goal to be the youngest to qualify in the Olympiad.
Alright, I hope that you've learned from everything that has been shared today. So until next time, bye!